Hello, my name is Emma LaCour, and this is my screencasting project for my EdTech 3300 class, and I'm just going to be showing you and demonstrating how to use this wonderful app called Quizlet and how I apply it into my schooling. So I've used Quizlet since middle school, and Quizlet is a great way for you to study and to take mock tests, to take mock quizzes, use flashcards to study terms for either vocabulary, a definition that you need to know, whatever you need to study for a class. So I'm just going to be showing all the cool little gimmicks and cool little features that Quizlet has. So we are going to click on my public health class. Oh, forgot to mention. So on this page, you can select all the classes that you're going to be taking. Like I have a bunch of all these physics Quizlets that I found and some Quizlets that I've made for my physics class. But for example, we're going to go to my public health class on Quizlet. So I've created 4 terms, or 4, I guess terms would be the right word. Terms in this one set. So this is just for one of my public health lessons. So what's really cool is that you can change the name of the set that you were wanting to create, and you can also apply your own definitions and whatnot. You can include true or false, multiple choice. It is really, really awesome. So the first study habit that you can use is flashcards, a great way to memorize terms and vocabulary. All you have to do is just click on the flashcard itself, and then you can move on. This is true, yada yada yada. You can do this, and it's just a great way for you to memorize terms. And then you're going to click on continue to learn. So for this, it'll quiz you in matching the definition to the term. So this says, which is not one of the 3 primary importance of grieving children, and it is make them discuss their feelings. And it'll tell you which answer is right and which answer is wrong. For this one is true. This one is cross-curricular map, and then I can show you what'll happen, or what will happen if you get a term wrong is it'll make you do the whole learn option again to make sure that you get every single one of your terms correct. And then for this one, it is spiritual. So there we go. It'll tell you that you're doing great, and next it'll have you type out. These are just like the different settings of learn. So we're going to click on out of here, and there's write, where you can type out the definition or the definition of a term that you create. There's spell, where you can actually spell the word out into your microphone and your computer will record it. And then there's test, which will make a mock test of all the terms that you compiled together, and it'll allow you to make a test. For this one, it is called match. So it's kind of like you match up the terms with the definition. So this one is true. Goes here, and you just drag it across to the correct term, and then it'll time you, and it'll tell you how long it took you to get all the correct choices, and it'll prompt you into doing better on your time. So we're going to actually hit back, and then we're going to go into gravity, which is also another fun game that I like playing with all my vocabulary terms. And you can choose the different settings. So you can star a definition that you don't understand, and Quizlet will make sure that it is used frequently in all of your little games or studying that you do on this website. And you can change the difficulty from easy to medium to hard. You can also change it from answer with definition, term, or random, but we're going to go with definition. So here, the whole point is to type out the answer. This is obviously a question that will be hard for me to type out, so we're just going to go ahead and stop. But you kind of get the whole situation. What's really cool is that whenever you go to your home, this is where you can click on create and you can create your own study set. It'll ask for a title, which will, for example, it says right here highlighted, or right here where my cursor is, Biology, Chapter 22, Evolution. You can type in the name of your Quizlet set, and then you can also tag your school if you want to, or the school code, or the course code name. And then here's all the definitions, so you can type out whatever you need. There you go. And you can also add images to your Quizlet set, which is pretty awesome. You can also change the language on here, so it is very diverse and anyone can pretty much use it. But yeah, this is my overview or screencast project of the app Quizlet. Thank you for watching.